in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hopefully resolve a Windows Defender is not working on your Dell laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left side, select system. And then on the right side, you want to scroll down and select where it says system components. And then over here on the right side, you want to go down to Windows Security, select the three-dotted icon next to it, and then select Advanced Options. Scrolling that again, underneath Reset, select the option that says Reset. If the system component isn't working right, reset it. The system component's data will be deleted. Go ahead and select that, and then Reset. Give that a moment. And then I would recommend restarting your computer, and then hopefully everything should be good to go. Another reason it may not be working is if you have another antivirus in use, so you may just want to go and uninstall it, and then attempt to turn back on Windows Defender or Windows Security, and you hopefully should be good to go. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.